Hey, welcome to the show. Today in the show, I have exciting news. I have a complete lineup from SupCase Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Galaxy S22 series. We're going to tell you all about it. Stay tuned. So right now, let's take a closer look at the SupCase Unicorn Beetle Pro lineup. Right here, these are the clear cases. They are clear on both sides, and they also come with a built-in screen protector. This is your built-in screen protector, and these are there's two parts to it. So let me turn it around and I'll show you. What you do is you slide your phone in here, put it in with the camera lens facing down, and then you snap this in. Let me see if I can do that one-handed. Bada boom, bada bing, there you go. And there's also a sticker. You'll take this off, and that way you can align your fingerprint and set up your phone that way. You'll notice on all of these there is a beveled edge that goes around the camera lens. So that way when you set this down on the counter and move it around, it will not scratch the camera lens. It kind of keeps it up off the counter. And so here are some volume controls, some buttons, and on the bottom you have some of the ports. So they're not covered up on these phones right here, phone cases. So like I said, this is for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, S22 Plus, and this one has a little hole here and on the back, and the S22. Here is my favorite lineup. This is the SupCase Unicorn Beetle Pro. You'll see all the different colors. They have other colors too, but these are two new colors for 2022. This one is it's almost like a clear case, but it's kind of just a whitish clear color. That would be really cool if this glowed in the dark, but I really like that. That's new for this year, but this is going to be my new favorite. Take a look at this. It's kind of a shiny metallic look right here. Beautiful. Look at that. This is awesome, and you'll see that this port right here is covered up, and there's an opening for the pin. Now, this is like a three-part system. This is a belt holster, so this goes on your belt, and let me turn that around, and so it can snap on your belt or on your pants. It can also act as a kickstand if you wanted to. But wait, there's more. Let me take this out of here. Like I said, I'm doing this one-handed here. See if I can do that here. Take this out, and this has a built-in kickstand already. So let me open that up, and you'll notice that there's built-in kickstands on all of these. So you can have your phone long ways like this or sideways. You can see how that works. And when you're done using it, just click that in. Bada boom, bada bing. It's all set up. Now, this phone right here, like I said, I have been using this Unicorn Beetle Pro series for I don't know how many years. It's just have this on every single one of my phones. I don't really use this too much right here. It's nice, but I feel I have complete protection with this. So this is going to be my favorite case. Like I said, SupCase Unicorn Beetle Pro, great company, awesome customer support, excellent products. What more can you ask for? This clear case, really cool. So that is neat. It'd be cool if you could hook up an LED light inside there. But yeah, really neat. A lot to choose from. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. I love the SupCase Unicorn Beetle Pro series. My number one.
Especially this one.
Especially that one. Hey, I will have a link down below where you can find these
on Amazon.
On Amazon, I'm speechless right now. I'm probably happier than a dog with two tails. And you got to check out our other videos we're having on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. We're gonna have lots of tips and tricks and a whole lineup of phone cases.
Yeah, we even getting the phone.
Yeah, we're gonna be getting the phone really soon. Hey, once again, have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Adios. Bye-bye.